Welcome everybody, assalamu alaikum. Today we're gonna continue learning the Arabic alphabets. Let's check together. Today we are gonna learn this letter. Pay attention to this sound. Sh, 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 sh. In English it is like this, right? Sh, sh. So to get this sound in Arabic, I have to write this beautiful letter like this. Sh, sh, sh. If I add this mark on the top, so I have now sh, sh. This mark sounds like letter A in English. Sh. So sh, 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 sh. Okay? Sh, 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 sh. If I remove this mark, so now I have just the sound sh, 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 sh. Sh, sh, sh. Okay, sh has four different shapes. When it is in the beginning of the word, it looks like this. I'm gonna write from the right to the left. So this is sh in the beginning of the word. Sh. Let's write sh in English from the left to right to get familiar to this style. So I'll start with the H, S, and then the H, and A. Read with me. Sh, sh. It's crazy, but like this we will learn. Okay, so sh, sh. The shape of sh in the middle of the word is like this. I have to like draw a line like this, and then let's add this shape. 3 dots on the top, and this mark will sound like A. Sh. Let's read this word in Arabic. Sh, sh. At the normal speed. Sh, 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 sh. Let's write sh here in English from the right to the left. S, H, A. Sh. Sh, 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 sh. Okay. Let's see sh in the end of the word. Sh in the end of the word, it is like this. Sh. Sh, sh, sh. Sh, sh, sh. Let's read the word at the normal speed. Sh, sh, sh. Sh, sh, sh. Sh, sh, sh. Sh in the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, in the end of the word. In the end of the word, it can be like this too. Sh. So it looks like sh when it is separated out of any word. So we have two shapes of sh in the end of the word. We will learn later why it could be like this or either like this. Sh, 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 sh. Okay, let's see another letter. Now we have k or k, 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 k. Like English, we have letter K. K. So this sound is k, 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 k. I get it from this letter. K, 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 k. Let's add this. K, 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 k. K in the beginning of the word. Let's see. So I do like this, and then I add a line here like this, and I must add this mark on the top, which sounds like A. K. So K in the beginning of the word, it's totally different from K when it is out of the word. Look, it's another shape. K, 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 K is the same letter, but another shape, another form. K. Let's write K from the right to the left. K, K, K. Okay. Let's see K in the middle of the word. I have to add this line, and then I have to do like this, again, this mark, and then like this. K, 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 K. Okay. And then finally we have K in the end of the word. It looks like K when it is out of the word, but just we add this line here in order to get connected to the previous letter. Let's read together this word in Arabic. So it is ka, ka, ka. At the normal speed, ka, 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 ka. We have ka in the end of the word. It can be like this as well. So we have 4 shapes of ka in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end of the word. Either like this or like this. Ka, 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 ka. Let's learn another letter, which is ma. Ma. In English, ma. Ma, 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 ma. Okay. So, ma in the beginning of the word. Ma, ma, ma in the middle of the word. Ma, 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 ma in the end of the word. Ma, 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 ma. And it can be like this as well. You could find it sometimes like this as well. They are the same. Can be like this or like this or like this in the end of the word. Okay, these are equal, the same when it is separated in the end of the word. Don't worry, we're gonna see more examples. So we have here ma, ma, ma. Let's write from the right to the left. So I have ma, 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 ma. As you see, ma and all the previous letters that we learned up to now, until now, they can get connected from the right and the left. Later, we're going to learn some other letters that they just get connected from the right side. Okay? Ma, 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 ma. The last letter that we will learn today is fa. 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 Okay. Fa in the beginning of the word. So super easy. Fa. Fa in the middle of the word. Fa fa. Fa fa. Fa fa. Fa in the end of the word. Fa. Fa fa fa. Fa fa fa. It can be like this as well. Fa fa fa. Fa fa fa. 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 Fa fa fa. Fa fa fa. Okay, so today we learn it together. Sha. Sha. Ka. Ma. Fa. Let's connect 2 of them. Let's start with ka, like this. Ka in the beginning of the word. Let's connect it to ma. So we have now one word from 2 letters. Let's read ka, ma, ka, ma. This is ka in the beginning of the word, ma in the end of the word. Ka, ma, ka, ma, kama, kama. Okay, so this is ka and this is ma. Kama, 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 kama. Okay, let's make another word. Let's start with fa. Fa in the beginning of the word. Fa, 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 fa. Let's add sha in the middle of the word. Fasha, 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 fasha. Let's add ka in the end of the word. I'm just making any words. and there is no any meaning for them. فا شا كا فا شا كا فشك فشك. Let's write here for you to not forget. I have شا كا ما فا. So I have here فشك فشك. Let's make something mad. Let's invert some letters. Let's start with ka in the beginning. So I have here, this is ka in the end, in the beginning. Let's add fa in the middle. Kafa, kafa. And let's add sha in the end. Kafasha, 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 fashaka, 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 kafasha, fashaka, kafasha, fashaka. Okay, let's start with ma in the beginning. Ma, and then let's add fa in the middle. Mafa, 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 sha. Mafasha, mafasha. Okay, let's connect all of them together. Sha in the beginning of the word. Ka in the middle of the word. Ma here, it's considered in the middle as well because I'm gonna add another letter in the end, which is fa. So as you see here, sha, ka, ma, fa. Let's read it. Okay, it sounds crazy. Shaka ma fa, shaka ma fa, shaka ma fa, shaka ma fa, shaka ma fa. I don't know what does it mean. Okay, now let's write a word that has meaning, a word that makes sense. Okay, let's start with ka. Ka. Ka in the beginning of the word. Ka. And then let's add sha. Sha in the middle of the word. Kasha. Kasha. And finally, let's add fa. Let's read. Ka. Kasha. Kasha. Kashafa. 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 Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.